Summertime weather continued today. It's been hot. It's been actually for September really humid. It is eventually going to ease some, but the heat's going to actually hang around here for a little while longer. Pretty picture as we look back toward the east from Manchester Street toward the downtown. You're seeing a nice development of the cumulus clouds there, but they're all hitting what's called a cap. There's a layer of warm air above these clouds, so they can't develop above that. Cumulus clouds build because the insides there are warmer than their surroundings. And so it goes up like a hot air balloon. But when you run into a layer of warm air, it can't go any higher. And so as long as that cap's in place, your height of the clouds is limited, and thus your rain chance is limited. But there are a couple of places where we're trying to push that cap. On the Max Track Live Doppler here at 617, where we can find what is a little teeny tiny shower there in Taylor County. Another one just to the southwest of it. And these are just individual clouds that have been able to push up toward that about 20,000 foot level where the cap is. Storms return to the Max Track Live Doppler. That'll be more robust tomorrow. The reason why is it'll be colder air aloft, and that'll allow the storms to build up. Weekend is looking better than it was from yesterday, so good news there. It still has rain in it, but just not a washout, it looks like, on Saturday now. Warmth is still holding into next week, so if you're like in the summertime, we've got it a little while longer. All that green that you see there, that's a marginal risk of severe weather. That's from the Storm Prediction Center. Could be a storm or two that pushes the severe weather limit, especially if we get a little bit of sunshine in the morning, and that'll add a little more heat, a little more energy to the system. Lightning may be a pretty good calling card for a lot of these storms, though. As we see the storm line develop tomorrow, you're seeing we're going from the isolated to the frequent bolts of lightning. So again, could be pretty loud for some of these storms as we get you into then latter part of the afternoon and evening, and eventually that'll all slide off to the southeast and dissipate on out. Rainfall amounts. We'll go with an average of a quarter to around a half inch, but there are going to be pockets where you're going to get some really good downpours. So some folks may end up with over an inch of rain, and that will come again in a hurry. Not like they've been seeing down in Texas and Louisiana, though, from the remnants of Nicholas, which still is a tropical storm. It will eventually transition to just a remnant low. For us, our moisture that's coming in, our rain not associated with Nicholas. Tomorrow morning, you're seeing, again, a couple of stray showers around. They will become more numerous as we head on into the afternoon. Where you're seeing those areas of pink and purple, that's where the storms could be a little bit stronger. Then we'll watch that whole area slide off to the southeast and dissipate as we get you on in then to Thursday morning. Thing is, the moisture is going to try and come back, even though you see Nicholas hasn't moved a whole lot, so locally heavy rain will continue for those folks. But some of the showers may try and come back from the southeast. And we're on that big upper level circulation there. You see Nicholas, as it comes across southeast Texas, came in as a Cat 1 hurricane late last night. It intensified right all the way up until it made landfall. So luckily it ran out of water. Regardless, still produced heavy rain. Southeast Texas, Louisiana, on into Mississippi. Some folks there, foot and a half of rain. Right now, the Bluegrass Airport, it's 84. The air is humid. We have a heat index in the mid-80s. From the Kentucky Mesonet, you see the mid-80s pretty much everywhere. 85 in Owingsville, same in Richmond, 86 out of Stanford. As we get you to forecast tonight, it stays warm. Just treat it like a late June, early July night. Nice evening increase in clouds. Late will be close to 70. Your day tomorrow, some limited sun, but shower and thunderstorm chances will increase as we head into the afternoon. We'll be in the upper 70s, around 80 there on Thursday, low 80s on Friday, minimal storm chances. Saturday, the storm chance a little bit more, but not bad. And Sunday just looks hot.